What lessons did you find in this? If it's true that every single time we encounter a change, our brains look for loss, distrust, discomfort, as a leader, what does that tell you? Context is important. Delivery is important. Yes. Provide context. Anticipate the questions your employees will naturally have. Answer those proactively. Clear communication. Everybody has daddy issues. Not initially daddy. Could be mommy. Okay. Don't assume adoption is a guarantee. Clarity. Provide detail. Minimize discomfort. Lack of productivity. Emotional reactions. Communicate better as a leader so the team doesn't jump to risk. How you communicate. Clear communication. Timing matters. Okay. All those things are true, and you can't turn off a reflex. So you can try to minimize discomfort, agree. You can't eliminate it.